Hi, Tim from Kingdom Sewing Center. Today we're going to talk about one of my collections that it's taken me years to get. This is a Singer Featherweight, what's called the AD series. So originally, probably before 1900, they had letters on their number of their serial numbers, A, B, C. But around 1924, they started doing double letters, so AA, AB, AC. And in 1930, they came out with the AD series, and this is the first featherweight that came out in 1933. So this is the first production run. This is actually number 237, so it has some pretty rare features on there. The straight take-up lever, the different curled type of scroll plate. This is called the bud versus the other one is kind of the bud with the wings on there. But this was the first production run, and you can see very nice and clean. There were 10,000 made in 1933. Just has a lot of distinct features. Needle plate is a original there, and then different printing on the back of the machine and on the front there. So that was first production run, 1933. There were only 10,000 made. The next year, in 1934, they had two production runs. So this is the first production run in September. Pretty much the same look, a few changes. They changed it to a different take-up lever. They changed the needle plate, different printing in different places, like we talked about the bud on the original featherweight there. So this is the second production run. Actually a hard series to get as well. I've had that in the collection quite a long time. The next series is the production run number 3, also in 1934. There were 10,000 made. Still has every one I just showed you there, the school bell feature. All of the pre-war featherweights have the chrome stitch length, the chrome hand wheel, the solid aluminum bobbin winder. Then in 1935, there were 3 production runs. So this was the first one in March, and pretty much the same as what I just showed you over there. Slight change would be this, and I'm not sure if this is the original on there. When they came out with the featherweight card tables, the bobbin winder pivot would not work in that featherweight card table, so they came out with this modification to flatten that front side there. But still old style tension, chrome on the hand wheel, stitch length, and side face plate there. So that was production run number 2 in 1930, number 1 in 1935. The second production run here, you can see I had this one custom painted. This was rather used when I got it, and I've always wanted kind of a perfect looking one, so very beautiful. The color is called Eggplant. but you can still see the chrome handwheel stitch length. Bell bobbin winder pivot, chrome screws everywhere, and old style tension, which I love. I just love the look of that. It just looks like it's brand new when you clean it out. Ultrasonic, get all the grime off there and polish it there. Last one here, so the 6th production run, third one in 1935, they ran out of numbers in the AD series there, so there were only 3,000 made with the AD series. This is one of them, so actually a rather hard machine to find versus some of the other ones. All of the AD series for the featherweights had what we call the split housing here. So that is my collection of the 6 production runs of the Singer Featherweight AD series.